Yes. Yes.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, action. Aloha, this is Miss Pickles here, and my assistant today is Makana. Makana, say hello.
Hello.
And what are we making today? Edible Play-Doh. So normal Play-Doh you can't eat. Don't eat that. But we're going to teach you an easy way how to make Play-Doh that you can play with and then eat it. So what do we need first, Makana?
We need peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
And honey.
Honey. And
Sugar.
dry milk. There's no sugar. So there's only 3 things. Peanut butter.
Honey.
And dry milk.
Yeah.
So the first thing, you're going to need a bowl and a spoon. Makana, you are going to scoop all the peanut butter out of this jar and put it in there.
Eat all the peanut butter?
Put all the peanut butter in the bowl.
Wait,
what are you going over there for?
Because it's frozen.
It's not frozen.
Ah, see, it's frozen.
It's not frozen peanut butter.
It's
Do it.
Use the power.
Do it.
Use the force.
yeah.
That's not a lot of peanut butter.
You need more than this.
Yes, that's definitely not enough.
More than that.
All of it. I want all that peanut butter in this bowl.
Really get in there.
Get in there.
Come on. You got
Here,
this.
why don't you do this and I'll do that?
Yeah.
What is that?
Okay. This is I use a rice spoon.
Why do you use a rice bowl?
You'll see later. All right, scrape it off.
That's what I was just going to say.
I know way. Because you need some rice.
I need some rice.
What?
Max is our
Audience.
Other cities.
audience.
Our other audience.
Our comedy.
That is nasty. Do not do
We're
that.
cooking.
I
Yeah.
farted.
Well, we're cooking.
Well, I farted.
That's just.
Should I get pink eye?
The heart is going to go inside the cookie.
It's not gonna. We're
It's not-
making
And then
cookies.
you're going to...
Hey, do you want to smell fart?
Yeah,
All right,
edible Play-Doh.
listen.
Farts not included.
No more fart talk. Cooking show. All right,
Cooking show.
Fart.
you can.
Nasty. Wait.
We're not gonna share our edible
Wait.
peanut
Can
butter.
I make a joke? Peanut butter.
We're
Okay.
professionals. All right.
Okay,
So
professionals.
now the next thing. What do you think we have to do next, Makana?
put some honey.
Exactly.
Oh.
So you're sweetening your peanut butter. So that's where I like to mix it up with the rice spoon. Ready? So can you see that? The more honey you put in, the sweeter it is.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to put all of it?
No. Maybe.
You're sweet enough.
So just
All right.
Put that
mix
in
it
there.
around.
Da-da-dee-doo.
You gotta get it in there.
Your
Mix and
spoon
mix and
is
whisk.
better.
You want my spoon?
No.
Okay. Good. Just make it.
oh, starting to smell
Yeah.
good.
It's gonna smell great,
It smells like butter.
and it's gonna look like. It doesn't smell like butter.
It smells like butter. That's why it's first made like butter.
All right.
I'll tell you guys a joke. So, this right here, it's brown. Like poop. It's
Like
brown
trees.
like poop. That's why it's called peanut butter.
You just stole his joke.
That's mine.
You did not. All right. So I think we mixed it all up pretty good. Okay, ready?
Now we did it.
Oh, wait, hold my spoon. Okay, ready? Now, the dry milk is gonna give it the feeling of being Play-Doh. Okay, so the more milk you put in, the more powdered milk you put in, the less sticky it's gonna be. Ready? I will not. All right.
You know,
so
this
mix
is
it
kind
up.
of like chemistry and cooking mix.
Mix it.
Now.
Now you want the rice spoon?
Yeah.
Okay, go
Who
ahead.
wants the hair dye?
You're not hair dyeing today.
I'm a hair dye lady.
See, you can see how it's getting less sticky.
Because of me.
And more like
Hey. I want to play some games.
What are you
Now, what's the
doing?
consistency we're looking for here?
Play-Doh. Play-Doh is the consistency we're looking
Yes,
for.
of course.
You're a really good stirrer.
That is
I
impressive.
started with my dad.
Oh, you do?
Yep.
Oh, good.
What kind of stuff do you make at home?
Caramel.
Caramel?
Well, maybe you should make a caramel class with your dad, so everybody
That
can
would be
learn how.
amazing.
Yeah.
What he's doing it in his underwear.
He makes caramel in his underwear.
Yeah.
I
Now
think that's
after
a
this,
rule.
I have a request after we do
We
make
put
this.
After we do
pajamas
this,
on, but
we
then
gotta go
he,
on the toilet and do
sweats-
what you need to
He
do.
does that with it. He does
Oh,
that with
I'm
it.
not talking about any butt
so
jokes
then,
anymore.
He thinks
But
it's short.
More milk.
Flying through the
More
sky,
milk.
shooting bad guys.
You want to make it so you don't see the white
Got
part.
a big butt.
What if we had a little building competition afterwards
Oh, that's
Oh
a
yeah,
good
with
idea.
sand.
to see who
Butt
could make the
competition.
most creative thing?
Peanut butter something? I love
Peanut butter
that.
sculptures.
Farting
Peanut
competition.
butter sculptures.
That could be interesting.
Stop it when you're farting!
We can make a butt with the peanut butter when we're done.
I'm gonna fart in it and just come back out.
Stop it.
Thank you. All right, now I want you to take some off your spoon and feel it. It's sticky still. It's too sticky. Yeah, it's too sticky. You can taste it.
If it still sticks onto your fingers, it's too sticky.
Yep, we gotta put more in.
It tastes like buttermilk.
Oh, that's nice.
It tastes like nothing.
Tastes like nothing.
What is it? Was turn into sticky hands.
Come on. You don't want to get it all over the place.
That looks good.
It's delicious.
It's not delicious.
You are gonna love it. You're eating it.
We're not eating it. We're not stirring it.
We are. We're stirring it. I know. This is the hard one. The more, see, you want it to be a little. Alright, let's try again. Still too sticky. Alright, so I think you need a whole jar of peanut butter and a whole thing of powdered milk. Yeah. This is so much fun.
Oh, look how much dust you put inside there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's getting good.
You're holding the bowl. I'm doing the stirring.
Alright, you do the stirring and I'll hold the bowl.
You smell that, Max?
No,
It's victory. You're smelling victory.
it smells like nothing.
Get your nose checked. Where's he off to?
It's not that sticky.
It's not that sticky. Oh, it's getting better.
Look, feel mine. Feel mine.
Oh my gosh. Look.
What?
Look.
Oh, can I touch?
Look, it's a little.
Poop.
Worm.
It's a little
It's,
turd.
it's a worm. Yeah, worm. It's a
This
worm.
is how you make a worm.
Show me how to make a worm.
Doo-doo.
Oh, God.
No, it's edible Play-Doh.
Yeah, it sure does.
All right.
Oh, I remember the time when we made popsicles with that.
Oh, that's right.
Remember the time when we made doodoo? And it's today.
I think we need a little more. I don't want it too sticky. Because then we can't build things with it.
You remember the time when we got the sprinkles and then we sprinkled it?
No. I don't know if we
Up
can
there.
Let's try it.
Shut up.
It's going to taste so much
Where are you
fun.
going?
And then the four of us.
Oh,
are
of
gonna
course.
start.
Move away from there.
Almost done.
But I'm gonna
Flip
go
it
that
over
way.
like a
Here you
pancake.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And then stir the other
I didn't know you like to cook.
Should do a cooking show.
I think that's a great idea.
Absolutely.
All right. All right, you ready, Max? We have made our edible Play-Doh.
We are ready for the competition?
We are ready for the competition.
Alrighty then. Let's start this up.
After you've made your edible Play-Doh, get yourself a Ziploc bag and put it all inside the Ziploc bag. Put it in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to use some, you just take out a handful and play with it on a nice clean surface.
And then when you
Which-
want
which
to eat,
weird
when
one?
you're hungry, you can just eat the edible Play-Doh.
Yes, you can, and it's healthy.
Yeah, it has no
Very
sugar
healthy.
inside it.
It has no sugar, it only has honey.
Uh-huh.
what should we
Unless
make?
you're allergic to peanuts, then
Yeah,
it is
if
not
you're
healthy.
allergic to peanuts, you can't make this.
Well,
It'll
Like
ruin your
Josiah.
Josiah, I'm sorry, you can't have this.
Shout outs to Josiah.
Okay.
Josiah? Why you guys say Josiah?
Wait, could you guys use this with your mom's class? Does she make you do
Oh,
stuff
yeah.
like- you can make letters?
Yeah.
Ooh.
So you put them down like this. Put them
And then
down.
you go-
Then you go.
Oh, that's a good one.
You want to eat it now?
Or we can eat it.
Yeah, we can eat it.
So what are you guys doing right now? We're just going to build stuff, or are we doing competition? All right, I think, okay, answered. All right, we're just going to eat it. Nice. All right, till next time.
Till next time.